Welcome! If you're looking to give your Discord app a sleek new look, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the steps to enable the brand new Onyx mode on the Discord app for PC. This fresh theme is part of Discord's latest update, bringing more customization and a visually striking dark appearance to your chats and servers. Let's get started. First, make sure your Discord app is up to date so you have access to the newest features, including Onyx mode. Once you're ready, open up the Discord app on your computer. You'll land on your usual home screen, surrounded by your servers and friends list. Take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your username and avatar. Right next to it is a small gear icon. This is the User Settings button. Go ahead and click on that gear to open up your settings menu. Inside the Settings menu, you'll see a list of options on the left side. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Appearance. Click on Appearance to open up all the visual customization options for your Discord app. Now, here's where the magic happens. In the Appearance menu, you'll see a list of available themes. With the new update, Discord offers several options: Light, Ash, Dark, and the brand new Onyx. Onyx mode stands out with its deep, rich tones, providing a modern and comfortable viewing experience, especially if you're a fan of darker themes. Simply click on Onyx to select it. Instantly, you'll notice your Discord interface transform with the new Onyx look. The change is immediate, so you can see how everything appears in real time. That's it! You've now enabled Onyx mode on your Discord app for PC. This new theme not only looks great, but also helps reduce eye strain during those long chat sessions or gaming marathons. If you want to switch back or try another theme, just return to the appearance settings and pick your favorite. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy your refreshed Discord experience with Onyx mode, and don't forget to explore the other new customization options Discord has rolled out in this update.